Welcome students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss about power set. What a power set is? The set of all subsets of a finite set is a power set. Now what does it mean? If we have a set that is suppose set which has the element 1, 2 and 3. Now we can make different subsets from this set, correct? In the previous video I have discussed about subsets, so we can take only a portion of this set and can make different subsets from this set. Now the power set is the set of all possible subset of this set. Let's look at this example. Here we have a finite set which is set A that has the element A, R and P. So the set A has three elements. Now the subsets of this set is set A. This is a subset of set A. We have set R. This is again a subset of set A. Set P. This is again a subset of set A. Like this, we have set AR, set AP, set RP, set ARP, and phi. Why phi? Because we already discussed in the previous video that phi means the null set, and the null set is subset of every set. So that is why phi is also a subset of the set A. So, is there any other subset that can be formed from this set A? You can check it by your own. And what is the answer? That no. There is no other subset which can be formed from this set A. Now, what is the power set? The power set says the set of all subsets of A. The set of all subset of set A. Now, what are the all subsets of set A? These whole elements denote the set of all subset of set A. So if we construct another set where the elements are these subsets, then that set is called the power set. So this is the power set of set A because it has all the subset that can be formed from the set A. Set A, R, P, AR, AP, RP, ARP, and phi. So this set is the power set of set A. So what is a power set? It is very simple. The set which consists all possible subset of a finite set is called a power set. Now there is a specific formula that how many elements will be there in a power set. Suppose we have n elements inside a set. N elements inside a set. Then number of elements in the power set will be 2 to the power n. So this is the total number of elements that will be there in the power set. For this set A, what is the value of n? N denotes elements inside a set. So how many elements are there? There is only 3 elements. So the value of n is 3 for set A. Now, what will be the number of elements in the power set of A? It will be 2 to the power n, that means 2 cube, that is 8. Now, check the number of elements inside this set. It is 8. So, this is the formula that the formula of the number of elements in the power set. If we have a set which has the elements 4 inside that, then the total number of elements in the power set will be 2 to the power 4. That means 16 elements will be there. Now, I think it is clear that what a power set is and how many elements will be there in a power set. I think now you have the clear idea about that. So if you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.